Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Madden NFL 27 mobile football game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android phones. So let's follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first solution is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead launch the Madden NFL 27 mobile game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Madden NFL 27 mobile app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Madden NFL 27 and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then go back, launch the game and check. Third solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. And if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the Madden NFL 27 mobile football app and check if it is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Madden NFL 27 mobile football app. So tap and hold the Madden NFL 27 app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the cache of Madden NFL 27 mobile app. So again tap and hold the Madden NFL 27 app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again tap and hold the Madden NFL app icon, then tap on app info, tap on storage usage and this time tap on clear data. Now please take a note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, tap on battery usage and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again tap on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, tap on software update, and if there are any updates available for your device, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN, Secure VPN, VPN Windscribe, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Madden NFL 27 mobile app and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Madden NFL 27 mobile football app. So tap and hold the Madden NFL app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again tap on uninstall to confirm. Then just restart your device. Don't forget to restart your device, and once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Madden NFL 27 and then tap on it and then tap on install button to reinstall it. And once this Madden NFL 27 mobile football app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch it and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the Madden NFL 27 mobile football app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You just wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Madden NFL 27 mobile game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.